You might be curious about this whole keyword-driven test automation framework thing. No worries. We are going to explore, learn, and gain a comprehensive understanding throughout this intermediate level test automation framework training series. By the end of this training program, you will not only understand it, but will have the capabilities to develop your own test framework. Hello everyone, and welcome to level 2 of Selenium Roadmap Zero to Hero training journey. I am Azeem Tariq, your trainer and lead test architect at Xamaa Technologies. In parallel to level 2 training, you will also have the opportunity to collaborate with me directly in one-on-one session for your own personalized project. We will analyze and design your specific project for your own objectives. If you need any help, you can contact me directly at xamaa.technologies@gmail.com. I have also posted this email in the description section of this training. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the important updates coming your way. Selenium Roadmap Zero to Hero training series is divided into 3 levels, taking you on a step-by-step journey to master it conveniently. Each level has its own specific game plan. Level 1 is all about laying the foundation for test automation, and basic concept series of this level has been already released. If you didn't watch it so far, I would highly recommend checking Xamaa Learning YouTube channel. In level 2, we will evolve the basic test framework into a keyword-driven framework. And then eventually in level 3, we will transform the keyword-driven framework into a fully industrial standard data-driven test automation framework, integratable with CI/CD pipelines to achieve a real-time continuous delivery process. Level 2 of Selenium roadmap training is of intermediate level. So if you are new to test automation or considering transitioning to Selenium, I strongly recommend completing the basic concept series on YouTube at Xamaa Learning channel as a prerequisite. Additionally, familiarity with Java programming language is essential for this training as well. However, if you already have some experience writing Selenium tests using Java, I suggest watching only the last module of Basic Concept series, which is Module 8. This is because we will be evolving the keyword-driven test automation framework from the foundational test framework we established in the Basic Concept series. In this training, we will cover several key aspects of building a robust and efficient test automation framework for web applications. Our main focus areas include designing a keyword-driven framework. We will kick off by exploring the core principles of designing a keyword-driven framework structure. This approach simplifies test case design and execution by abstracting complex actions into easily understandable keywords. In next step, we will structure our project into a well-organized project structure, which is essential for maintaining and scaling complex test automation project. We will walk you through the steps to set up project effectively, ensuring a clean and organized code base. Next part consists of 2 sections. In first section, we will learn page object model concepts, which is a design pattern that promotes code maintainability and reusability. We will understand how Page Factory can simplify code complexity and increase test execution speed, while addressing common issues like stale element, null point exceptions, etc. Then in section 2, we will be refactoring basic code into page object model. We will then evolve page object model into reusable blocks. This step will ensure that our automation code is modular, making it easier to maintain and expand. We will also, in this step, optimize basic driver code by creating reusable components. Additionally, we will introduce the concepts of configuration file to parameterize values like URLs, browsers. This will allow our framework to seamlessly adapt to different staging environments and various browsers on the fly when it's needed by executing your test suite with some CI/CD workflows. We will also be setting up TestNG.xml, which will enable our test suite execution from external CI/CD workflows. Effective test reporting is crucial for understanding test execution results, identifying related issues, and highlighting the areas which needs more attention. Though TestNG framework has some default test reports which are not very intuitive. In this session, we will also learn how to set up third-party reporting dependencies to improve test execution reports. And then we will also integrate screenshots for the failed test to enhance diagnostic capabilities. By the end of this training, you will have skills, knowledge to design and maintain a robust test automation framework, making your test scripts more reliable, maintainable, and adaptable to different staging environment and web browser needs. At the end, I will provide an introduction to data-driven test framework, which is actually a part of advanced level training, but here we will just get some introduction. In the bonus round, we will do some test automation interviewing preparation by learning key questions and associated proposed answers. In parallel to our standard keyword-driven test framework training, we will also be rolling out tailored training session designed specifically to align with your own unique projects. However, you need to sign up for those sessions using Xamaa Technologies email address. I will also add this email address in the video description section. This session will cover entire process from designing test framework to cover your customized project needs. We will be implementing page object model, though with the extensive details. And then we will set up extensive reporting and details logging for information, for error logging, and for all kind of loggings to facilitate test execution results presentation. And then we decorate the failed test with screenshots to facilitate diagnostic and troubleshooting. Then we will design comprehensive test scenarios and write up those tests and design a test coverage strategy. And then we'll develop functional and end-to-end tests. Next, we will also learn how can we do cross-browser testing and integration of those tests into our test framework. And at the end of this customized training session, we will learn how to handle flaky tests to make your test suites robust for its effectiveness. Stay tuned for an exciting journey ahead.